homelessness a crime. Fact 9. 1 in 5 homeless people sheltered from untreated serve mental. Fact 8. The government does not help much as you think. Fact 7. In the last few years, millions have lost their homes. Fact 6. There are fewer places for poor people to rent than before. Fact 5. Many people are homeless because they cannot afford rent. Fact 4. Domestic violence is leading cause of homelessness among women. Fact 3. 10 of thousands of veterans are homeless. Fact 2. 1/4 of homeless people are children. Fact 1. Over 6,000 homeless people in the U.S.